Hello friends, I want to share with you one of the easiest ways to make a balloon spiral. I need a cardboard sleeve for paper towels. I will spin a balloon for modeling, size to 160. First I inflate the balloon for modeling. Now I will fix the end of the modeling balloon and a sleeve using construction clamps. Next, I wind a modeling ball on my sleeve. I stretch the balloon 2 times. It is very important to ensure that the walls of the balloon do not twist. Now I'm inflating the balloon with a hand pump to its full size. Balloon spiral are ready perfectly smooth and beautiful. Thank you for watching us.